Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to back up data with Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. Now it is very simple. All you have to do is simply go to Settings, scroll down a little more, and find Accounts and Backup. And in here, all we have to do is simply click the backup data under Samsung Cloud. Now we can choose what we want to backup. So for example, I will click this. I'm not going to pick clock since, I am a very picky person. I don't like waking up at 6 AM, etc, etc. Also, I will disable apps here. You probably want to enable those. Okay. You probably want to disable apps, enable apps. But for purpose of this video, I will disable them since I have a lot of applications and actually backing up all of them would take some time. So after you're done with your choosing, all you have to do is click back it up. And as you can see now, all data has been backed up. And we simply hit done, and our backup is now made. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.